Mom, dad, are you 50 plus and do you sometimes feel you are too old to start over? Perhaps you feel every month gets to you. Your finances suffocate you. You work hard, yet you feel you are just surviving. You have no pension fund and the future leaves you anxious. You long for financial independence. You wonder if it might already be too late to start over. I know what it feels like to wonder. How will I ever get ahead financially? I also reached a point where I realized I cannot keep going on like this. I don't want to merely survive. I want hope again. I want to build something for myself. I don't want to become a financial burden to my children one day. I want to help build a better future for my children and my grandchildren. And maybe you are there too. You don't have to figure out everything today. You only need to take one small step. You are not too old. Your story is not finished yet. Write hope in the comments and I will send you my free PDF. Be blessed.